Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we have a special treat. We're going to be announcing our winners for the giveaway.
Right. Yep, back several weeks ago, we decided that when we hit 500 subscribers, we wanted to say thank you. We really do appreciate all the people that we've met who have subscribed to us and who frequently comment, and we feel like we've been able to help a few people with issues, and it's been a lot of fun, but we wanted to say thank you.
So we actually have two categories of giveaway. One is a $50 Amazon gift card that we select from everybody who commented on that specific video.
Mm-hmm.
And then the second one is well, why don't you tell them what it is, Irene, since we didn't tell them before?
Right. Well, a couple of years ago, I got this garden planner. I had seen it recommended on a couple of homesteading channels, and I said, well, what the heck, we'll try it. And I really liked it. And I felt that especially for a beginner, it could be really helpful. Now, I have to admit I've moved past it now because I've gotten super picky about my individual varieties of fruit and veg. But when you're starting, it's really hard to know sometimes, how do I figure out when I should plant things like that. And we have a Clyde garden planter with instructions, and it will help you with that. It has all the various, really a very wide variety of vegetables, and it basically, if you follow the instructions, it's got directions written right there. It'll help you figure out when you start things, whether you need to start things indoors ahead of times, all that sort of stuff. And I remember when I was first starting, this was not an easy thing to figure out.
A long time ago.
Well, it's still a complex process right now. It's one of those things that I like to sit down with all my papers and all my seeds and my catalogs and everything else, and I really write out a document with detailed plans. But when you're first starting, just to know that if you're in a specific growing zone and stuff like that, and it helps you figure out that whole thing out. So we decided that we would give away a brand new Clyde's garden planner to someone who said that they were a beginning gardener.
So here's the basic rules. We've selected using a random selector, and you'll see that here in the video. We had no control over it. We just put the URL for our video in and pushed the button, and we got the names out. So for the beginners, the winner is Asher Skylark. Now, you need to contact us at the address in the show notes in order to get this prize. So you need to get in contact with me by email by 5 p.m. on July 9th. And you need to supply us with the information so we can send this to you.
Right. We need a real mailing address because the Clyde's garden planner has to be mailed.
So that's number one. The second thing is, if you don't answer, if you don't identify yourself, on the 9th we'll select a replacement winner. And we'd rather not do that. We'd rather give it to the person who won.
Right.
So that's the beginner's prize. The second prize was for a $50 Amazon gift card. And that was won by Mommy Leone. Congratulations, Mommy Leone. Same thing, you need to be in contact with me by email by 5 p.m. July 9th in order to receive your prize. If you don't respond by then, we'll choose another winner and do the whole thing again. We'd rather not do that. We'd rather just send you your prize. Well, thanks everybody for entering. It was great fun. It was fun reading all your comments. We had 176 total unique people commenting on that video, which was really awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you all very much.
Right.
And with that, I think it's time for pizza night.
It is. It's time for me to turn on the stove, actually.
Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye.
Bye.